Hello teacher, today I'd like talk about a special occasion. It's the Mid-Autumn. This festival takes place on the 15th day of the 8th lunar month when the moon full and bright. During this time, people often eat mooncake, light lantern and watch lion dance. Children walk around the streets with color lantern and sing songs. People usually wear outside or like Kelso close to join the celebrate. I love the Mid-Autumn Festival because it's joyful, beautiful, and remind me of my happy childhood. That all. Thanks for listening.